What is up, guys? It's Team R4UL Raoul TV. We're back again, and what we're doing this time around is we're going to change the cabin filter, the pollen filter that is, on a 2010 Audi A3 S-Line. It's dead easy job, 5 minutes. You can do it outside your house. Don't need to take it to a garage for one of these pollen filters, cabin filters. So yeah, let's go, let's do it. Okay guys, I'm in the UK here, so I don't know which side it is in the, you know, if you're in Europe, if it's a left-hand drive car, might be on the left-hand side. So right-hand side, passenger side. Well, I'm in UK, and I've got a right-hand drive car, and it's basically, there's passenger side, footwell. We're gonna go in here, take this cover off, this one here, get rid of that. Basically, it's just little screws, not plastic screws, just wind them off. One of them. Yeah, well, two of them. Another one there, but that's not there. Somebody's already took that off. Take that cover off. Yeah, after taking that cover off, the cabin filter, the pollen filter, lives in there. So what we're going to do is, all we do is, this here, we go towards the left. So basically pull it this way. See if I can demonstrate while holding the camera at the same time. So there. So what we do is, one of them, yeah, basically not supposed to come off like that, but it right, okay, yeah, so you can see an arrow there to make it more easy. Arrow there, basically go that way, that comes off, then that, if you bend it a little bit there, that doesn't matter, we're going to replace that anyway, even the new one. Bend it and put it in, and there's one cabin filter. There's one cabin filter off, ready, done. Look at that. I think it's had its days there. It's a good thing to replace the cabin filter every time you do a service or every year or something like that, because all the rubbish and everything gets stored in that. You get clean air, no, you know, all the pollen and everything. Yep, plus the engine smell, the fumes and everything. It all blocks it off in there. Yeah, let's fit the new one. One top tip, I have made a mess in this car, as you can see. There you go. And that's from the cabin filter, the pollen filter. Just hoover it out, that's it. You know, customers not going to know any different. Okay guys, there's our new one. Brand spanking new one. There we have it. Yep. Right, one little, on these you can't really get them wrong, because look at the shape of the cabin filter. Yeah, you can't really get it wrong. It's going to go in like that, yeah. On some of them, it's a square one, yeah. So you have to make sure you read it on the top here, and it will say airflow, as you can see there. Airflow, whichever way the airflow is, go accordingly. On this one, obviously, the airflow, if it's like this, it's coming in from the outside this way into the car, so it has to go. It goes one way anyway. So there's no denying this one. There's no two ways about this one. So, but just for, you know, any other cars you're doing, if it's a square one, it can go either way. Just make sure you read that one, the airflow. There's an arrow on this one. Most of them have arrows on them, you know, to show you which way the airflow is, and yeah, refit it. So what we're going to do now is, again, it's a tight squeeze in the passenger side footwell. I mean, I'm not the biggest guy in the world, but if you're like a 6'5" giant, then you're gonna have a little issue getting here. But anyway, so basically this way up, get it lined up. There's a cutout in there, just show you guys the hole. Yep, in here. Yep. So what we do now is, and there we have it. Cabin filter is in. What we're going to do now is put the cover back on. Dead easy, same way we took it off. Sorry guys if you guys can't make it out properly, but it's impossible for me to show you any better than that. See these little slots here, goes into the slots on the cabin filter. Dead easy. We're going to push it back in now. So I'm going to basically push it. It will be a little tighter than the new old one, because obviously it's a new one. There we go, that's on, and that's it. On some of them they have a little screw there. Yep, on this one it doesn't. I mean, if you want to, you can just put a screw on there, and that way you can't come off at all. Little, you know, small self-tapper screw, and that's it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I hope that helps you guys out, you know, how to change the cabin filter on a 2010 Audi A3. It'll be same on the Audi A4s, pretty much same on all VW range and everything. That's how it is on the Golf, even easier, right? So yeah, all I'm going to say is like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me, leave a comment in the comment section, and yeah, everybody stay home, stay safe, and peace and blessings with to everybody. And yeah, I will see you guys soon.